Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're having a lovely day, blessed and happy and grateful. But let's talk about solid power today. The news just came out yesterday. Ticker SLDP. Solid Power announces second quarter 2022 financial results. Solid Power, an industry-leading developer of all solid-state battery cells for EVs, today announced its financial results for the second quarter ended June 30th, 2022. Business highlights. Cell development remains on track with initial 20 silicone EV cells expected to be shipped during the third quarter to joint development partners. EV cell pilot line installation completed in June with optimization activities ongoing. Production of EV scale cells for internal testing still expected during the third quarter. Construction of electrolyte production facility progressing with initial production expected in the first quarter of 2023. First half 2022 revenue reaches $4.8 million, nearing the high end of full year revenue guidance. Investments in operations, production equipment, and technology development continue on accelerated timeline. All right, let me read you the quotes from Doug Campbell. First half results reflect continued solid execution. Doug Campbell is the CEO of Solid Power. First half results reflect continued solid execution by our team as we continue to position the company for long-term success. With the recent installation of the EV cell pilot line, we now have the operational capabilities needed to produce EV scale cells, which is a critical step towards initiating the formal automotive qualification process. During the third quarter, we expect to begin producing EV scale cells for our internal testing and delivering 20 silicone EV cells to our joint development partners for their initial testing. Campbell continued, we continue to invest in our team, facilities, and technology. Construction of our electrolyte production facility continues to produce. The way I say facility cracks me up. I don't know why. In an older video, I said it reminds me of Jim Carrey when he says it in Cable Guy. Facility. Can't say it. I don't know. Anyway, construction of our electrolyte production facility, I can say it when I say it slow, facility continues to progress nicely, though we are not immune to supply chain challenges. We remain on track with our objectives to produce EV scale cells and enter a sample by the end of the year. We believe the ongoing investments in our product development and operational capabilities are not only key to entering into formal automotive qualification and meeting the needs of our customers, but will also enable us to build our own position as a leader in the battery technology sector. Second quarter financial highlights. Revenue for the second quarter of 2022 was $2.6 million, bringing total revenue for the first half of 2022 to $4.8 million. This compares with revenue of $0.6 million and $1 million in the second quarter and first half of 2021. As anticipated, operating expenses were higher in the second quarter of 2022 compared to the second quarter of 2021, driven by accelerated investments in product development and the scaling of our operations. Operating loss was $14.7 million for the second quarter of 2022. Changes in Solid Power's warrant liabilities resulted in a non-cash gain of $27.5 million in the second quarter of 2022, driving the company to net income of $13.7 million or 8 cents per diluted share. Solid Power's liquidity position remains strong as of June 30th, 2022, with total liquidity totaling $534 million. Capital expenditures during the second quarter and first half of 2022 were $20.4 million, and $31 million, respectively, representing ongoing investments in the company's technical development and operational capabilities. 2022 outlook. After delivering strong first half 2022 revenue results, Solid Power now expects 2022 revenue to exceed the high end of the previous guidance range of between $3 million and $5 million. Solid Power reiterates its outlook for total 2022 cash investment of between $150 million and $170 million. Solid Power expects to have total combined cash equivalents, marketable securities, and long-term investments of between $420 to $440 million at the end of the year. Solid Power is focused on delivering on its 2022 milestones to date. To date, the following 2022 milestones have been completed: delivery of 2 silicone EV cells to automotive partners, installation of the EV cell pilot line. Solid Power remains committed to delivering on the following key 2022 milestones. All good. So yeah, Solid Power. That's very good news for Solid Power. And I've done many videos on Solid Power, and I did one video I remember where what was it? It was like, what do you think will be like a what do they call it again? A FOMO stock, fear of missing out. Like, and my FOMO stock for the next coming year was Solid Power. I think this is going to be one that is just going to skyrocket in time, and people are going to be like, damn, I wish I would have got in when it was like $5-6, but we'll see what happens. Just my opinion. And I just wanted to give you all the news on Solid Power, and I want you all to have a lovely day. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.